Welcome. In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi 14, and in this video I will show you how to toggle webcam on this laptop. So first, open the Start menu and go to Settings. Select Bluetooth and Devices. Now go to Cameras. Now we can see the Xiaomi webcam, which is the integrated webcam. Select it, and then to disable it, just click this option right here, and this will disable your webcam. Now to enable it once again, click this button right here, and this way you enable your webcam. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.